Next, I'm going to make a damage pickup. Now, I'm going to right click and duplicate our health pickup because it's going to be similar, but actually it's going to have some different logic in it. And to be honest, doing the damage pickup's a little bit easier, strangely. So we've got our damage pickup here. Well, let's double click, open it up, and we've got all our code here. I'm just going to quickly come over here and I'm going to edit this just so it looks a little bit different. So I'm going to I'm going to make it look like that. And then rather than this green one, you may have your own like custom materials, but I'm just using some default engine ones. And then we can drag that into our level. Let's there we go. There we go. Right, so now we've got both of these, except this one has the heal logic because we haven't changed anything. So, in our event graph, I'm going to delete all of this logic here. And I'm just going to leave all of this stuff. I'm actually going to delete this as well, and I'll explain why shortly. So, on begin overlap, we're going to cast to our third-person character to check that that's the thing that stood on it. Now, here, we're going to check if the character is dead or not, because we don't want it so that they can pick it up if they're dead. So, let's get is dead, and then I'm going to do a not boolean, and then a branch. Plug that in. And then now, if you remember when we initially set up our health system, we actually already like went through and did a load of logic for if we take any damage. So we actually deduct our health here. We have our death function and we update our health bar here. So actually in this health bar, we don't even need this. We don't even need a reference to our HUD. So we can delete all of that and we can come down here and delete the HUD ref. And all we need to do now is drag off of here and do apply damage. And then rather than having a heal amount, we can rename this to damage amount. Compile. And then I'll leave that at 30. And then I'm going to plug that in to the base damage of the apply damage function. And then I'm just going to plug that into this destroy code. So now, look how much easier that is compared to our healing one. The healing one, we have to go through and do all of this logic because there's nothing in the player character to say about healing a player. Now, strangely, what you could do is rather than having all of this like complicated code in the health pickup, I guess technically you could do this same apply damage thing, but you could just do a negative number into it. So you're applying damage that heals you. It's a little bit strange and hard to wrap your head around. But we're just going to stick with this system for now because we've already done it. So we've got apply damage here and destroy the pickup. So now if I play, should be able to walk into this, it damages us, and then walk into this one and it heals us.